like it, guys, please subscribe to Eyes of Owen. Yeah.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Right, just double check. Nothing left behind. Time to leave Khon Kaen. Get a taxi to the bus station and get the bus to Udon. Should be a straightforward operation. Takes about an hour, just over. So, enjoyed the hotel in the end. Nice and relaxing little couple of days break. And now on to Udon. It's about 9:15, I'm just waiting for the taxi. The sweat absolutely pouring off us, it's red hot. This lady, very good. Do you like? Hello? Bye-bye. She's very helpful. She doesn't speak English, but I've used Google Translate and she always gets me a taxi, very helpful and friendly. So, very good hotel. Would I stay here again? Possibly not because of the location. It could do with being a mile or two nearer the centre, near the Pullman, but it's still alright, still a good experience. So it's 9:15, heading to the bus station, and hopefully should be in Udon for around about 11 in the morning, 11:30 hopefully. Action! Hom di na? Jai di na? Okay. Maที่นี่ปีที่แล้วnoปีหน้าใช่จ้า
พาเพื่อนมาเยอะๆมีห้องเยอะแยะ2 3 4 5 ห้องนะ
โอเค
บ๊ายบาย
โอเคบายบาย So that lady she came down and saying that my room smelled nice. I just put a bit of dupe on and that's who was saying it was hom, which means smells nice. I understood a little bit of it but not everything. So I'm in another taxi heading to the bus station and it is absolutely sweltering. I'm drenched in sweat. It must be almost 40 now and it's only 9:45 maybe. So I'm leaving this little community behind. It's been interesting. วันนี้คุณเริ่มทำงานกี่โมงครับเข้าใจวันนี้ใช่6 โมงเช้าอ๋อโอเคคุณชอบขับรถแท็กซี่ไหมชอบ
ไปจังหวัดไหนต่อครับเนี่ย
ผมพูดภาษาไทยนิดหน่อยคุณพูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหมครับ
ไม่ได้
no ไม่ได้นิดหน่อยเมืองกัน As you know, in Thailand you can't really make plans. I've decided this guy to take me to Udon, 1100. I didn't fancy sitting in this heat on a bus and dithering about, so I'll just sit in this nice taxi, nice aircon taxi, and relax. Just another change of plan. I know the bus would probably be more content, but I just want a nice easy journey to Udon. So we stopped off for some, I think it's gas. He's put 500 in. He's a good guy, we're having a good crack, slagging off fat English women and things like that. He said I speak very good Thai. I'm not filming it all, just little bits, and good banter. So we stopped now. I don't know how far, I've been travelling about 20 minutes or so. And it's an enjoyable journey. I know you can easily go on the bus, but I've done a bit of travelling on this trip, and as you get older, I was heading for the bus station and I got chatting with him and just thought, what the hell, just sitting here. Alright, it's more money, but I've not been drinking as much, so it's not cost me any more really. So it's been another enjoyable experience. You can't make plans in Thailand, everybody knows that. But the only thing now is I might get there a little bit early before my hotel, but I'm sure a man of my talent and good looks and skills will be able to let me check in a little bit earlier. You never know. Who are the champions of England?
Manchester City.
Chai! So here we are coming into Udon Thani. I've not really recognised anything yet. Maybe this roundabout, but and we have Sanuk. We have good laugh, joking with the driver. A nice guy. I think I can remember a few of these stores with the car parts, but as yet nothing I could honestly say I recognise. Right, check in, 5 minutes, and there's my room, 303. It's a different room to last time. Not the right number. It's a bit smaller. Yeah, it's a smaller room than last time. But obviously, you get what you pay for. It has got a balcony as such, but I'm not bothered. Yeah, my room last time was a lot better. It is what it is, Owen. It is what it is. So let's have a quick look. The shower, toilet, decent shower area, and the room there. I feel a bit disappointed because I stayed in a cracking room here last time, but obviously I paid a lot more. So this is no detriment to it, it's still alright. Got your safe. Fridge, TV, the aircon unit, nice little chair to sit at. I've got a nice little workstation here. Got my kettle and tea and coffee facilities. So I'll be happy here for the time that I'm here in Udon Thani. Right, let's go and explore. I'll go down the steps. So everything locked up. I've got my key, it's got the Wi-Fi pass on, which I've not logged into yet. I haven't had time. Got some laundry to sort out, which I shall do straight away, and I'm not carrying this bag around with me. And then we'll go and explore Udon Thani. I've got to get some food, a few supplies, and a little bit of beer this afternoon. I'll show the girls now. Hello. Oh, sorry. Okay?
It's okay.
Okay, say hello.
Hi.
Thank you. Where is laundry? Near? A good one?
Yes, good one.
This.
Turn right.
Turn right? Okay. Okay, thank you. So here we are coming out of the old inn. I didn't like filming her there a bit, but she was alright. .303 my room, 303. I couldn't remember what it was then. Now when me and the old docker here last time, up there, it was being built. Well, it had just been finished. And we had a look round it. Alright, pal. We'll head along here. It's red hot. Ah, we are Smile Laundry. Remember this lady from last time? She wasn't exactly the smiliest person, but I might just got her on a bad day. So I'll drop it off now. See what she says. Saudi carb. Thank you. So there we are, 58 baht, be ready tomorrow.